for the industry is irrelevant.
We get this question a lot. We have different industries. I mean, there are hundreds of industries in the United States alone, and we get this question often, which is, do you work with our industry? Have you done any marketing within our industry? Have you done any functionalities within our industry? Have you ever done an e-commerce project, web development project, web service API within our industry? Obviously, we've been around for 14 years, but we haven't worked with every single industry and its sub-industries. What do you say to a prospect who comes and says, have you ever done any work with a company that sells cat sweaters? Like, what do you say to that?
What are the chances, right? Okay. So at the end of the day, we get asked these questions all the time. But what they're asking for doesn't need to be industry specific, right? When it comes to custom functionality for that industry, when it comes to integrations for the industry is irrelevant. Because at the end of the day, it's the technology that we have the know-how and the experience with. So again, they're asking the wrong questions. At the end of the day, what you're looking for is the experience in the technology aspect of it, not who it's for, but more so how it's executed and if it's executed properly.